welcome back to my channel. So another vlog day. Stepping out. Today is 17th, yes, Tuesday. So my cousin's birthday is today, and the wife wants to throw him a surprise birthday party. So I'm going with my sister. We're going to help her pick some stuff and then help her do the surprising. So we want to be going to his office now with the cake and every other thing. He's not expecting it, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. But first, let me show you my outfit.
Immediately that are a big concern for the Somali people? Well, the main clear president.
guys, after the surprise birthday, came around to the house. We've run some errands. I wasn't able to cover up that. I was so exhausted. So from here I came around this is my cousin's place. So from here I'm going to the salon spa. My I want to pamper her legs, so I'm going to be capturing that moment. So you guys tag along with me. Zara. So I'm going out. I want to meet a friend of mine. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? I want to meet a friend of mine. I'm going to show you guys my outfit. So I'm going with my sister. This is my outfit. My outfits. I don't know if I'm going to be filming what I'll be doing there, but I'm just like I've been overworking myself. I've had a lot of things to do. I've been overworking myself, so I'm like, today is Sunday. I just felt like, let me just dive out, let me just go out and see someone and see the light of, like, I've been inside the studio working and working and working. Plus I'm working on my TikTok as well. So, and on my Instagram I just hit like 11,000 followers as of the time of this video. I'm so happy. Like, so much work. But let's go. Let me see if I can film everything that I'm doing outside. I don't even know what I'll be doing, but let's go. Guys, I'm stepping out. I want to go to the supermarket to grab some stuff that I'm missing in the house, just a few items. So lovelies, I have something that I want to unbox. Yes, so I got my 100,000 subscriber milestone. This is my silver play button, my silver plaque. 100,000 subscribers on my main channel, and I'm super excited. I'm so happy. I really appreciate you guys for supporting my content. Thank you so much. So I want us to unbox this here. I've done an appreciation video for my family on my main channel, so I'm like, okay, since we are onto vlogging things here, let's unbox here. This is a letter. This is a letter from the CEO of YouTube.
Yes, sincerely, Suzanne Wu speaking. CEO YouTube.
It says, presented to gracious Chioma for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Really, I'm so happy. I am super excited. I am so honored to have this in my hands. Thank you guys so much for everyone that is supporting my growth. I started this Stalk channel because I love filming my life. Like, I love beauty stuff. I love fashion. I love hair. I'm so obsessed with hair. I love going out beautiful places, and I have plans of starting a travel vlog on this channel, like traveling to different countries actually, and continents on this channel. And you guys should wait for it because I have something beautiful to bring to you guys. And while doing the travel vlog, I am going to be showcasing, helping you guys, bringing different countries closer for you guys. In case you've not visited that country, you get to see what it feels like, so that if you in any way plan on going for a tour or hanging out of vacation, you probably know beautiful places that you can visit. I have so all right, the thing is just unboxing this. I am so happy. Like, I'm so happy. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my vlog, my unboxing, my cousin's birthday. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.